Are you ready to take on this general knowledge quiz? Let's go to the question number one. Which planet is known as the red planet? Jupiter, Venus, Mars, or Saturn? The correct answer is Mars. Which is the largest mammal in the world? Blue whale, elephant, giraffe, or hippopotamus? The correct answer is blue whale. Who invented the telephone? Graham Bell, Thomas Edison, Isaac Newton, or Albert Einstein? The correct answer is Graham Bell. Which country is home to the tallest mountain in the world, that is Mount Everest? China, India, Nepal, or Tibet? The correct answer is Nepal. What is the largest organ in the human body? Liver, brain, heart, or skin? The correct answer is option D. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Africa, Asia, Europe, or Australia? The correct answer is Australia. What is the chemical symbol of gold? The correct answer is option D. Which is the longest river in the world? Amazon, Mississippi, Nile, or option D? The correct answer is option C, Nile. Who was the first person to step on the moon? Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, or option C, or option D? The correct answer is option A, Neil Armstrong. What is the smallest country in the world area-wise? Monaco, San Marino, Vatican City, or option D? The correct answer is option C, Vatican City. Thank you for watching till the end, and don't forget to mention your score in the comment section below.